Alright, so here we are in the $500 truck. You bet. She's been a good little runner.
Black Grand.
How long have I had this now? For about 3 years, or?
Yeah.
Anyway,
two, three.
I'm kind of using it as like a winter beater or whatever. It's been pretty good. It's got 180,000 on it or better. 180, I don't know what.
Magnesium 360.
You bet, the big Magnum. But yeah, it runs good. Just threw a new windshield in it. The old one had a big crack all the way across, and it was letting water in up there. But anyway, we're heading toward Cedar Falls. If you don't know, my new job is the monitor of Facebook Marketplace 24/7. Anyway, we found kind of a deal on I don't know, an 02 Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Yeah.
Anyway, I've been kind of in the market for something kind of like that, and this one's really nice. It's from Texas.
Tejas.
Yeah, we don't get a lot of vehicles like that up around here. Normally this vehicle would probably be totally rusted out, so this is one of the things that kind of appealed to me. Just by the description, it kind of almost looks like it's a fuel related issue. Is what we're kind of hoping. So if we can't get it started, we got a trailer back there, so throw it on a trailer, take it home, see what we got. Yeah, that's kind of the plan.
Right, yeah. Probably just beat on it with your hammer fist on the tank and she'll crack off.
Maybe.
You know?
And we'll see when we get there.
Hand them the money first before you start hammer fisting.
Right.
Alrighty. Alright, we gotta turn. I'm lighting at an epic off.
Oh no, be careful. Alright, we'll see you guys in a bit.
$500 Ram. She's been hauling a trailer around pretty nice. I think she might have a couple helper springs in the back, Jaybo.
I don't know. I put new U-bolts on it. There's like a spacer, an aluminum spacer that's on top of the damn rear axle.
Yeah.
Just similar metal, something, you know.
Right.
The old one's kind of rusted out, so I put new U-bolts on it, new shocks, new headlights, taillights.
The old U-bolts had about enough, I'd say like tooth floss.
Yeah, they were terrible.
It was bad. They're stretched thin.
Then I put the power, the posi lock cable for the 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, red knob.
You bet. So anyway, what the hell's going on here?
Bicyclist right here at the semi.
Clogging up the traffic.
Hi. Unless he was signaling to turn, I don't know. Anyway, we're almost there. We're losing sun power. We're close to Ricky, but we imagine he's at work, so we're not going to bug him.
Anyway. Yeah, we did see a sweet Dodge D50. Blake thinks there was a for sale sign in the window, so maybe we'll swing by and take a look at that. Maybe
on the way back. Yep.
Right.
Alrighty. We'll see you at the Jeep. Whoa, Jaybo. Sweet 2-wheel drive Grand Cherokee.
60% of that time it was 100%.
That was on some movie, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Sex Panther. Jaybo has got himself a Jeep Cherokee. None of that rhymes.
Hey, floor pooper.
The dog took a shit on Jay's transmission tunnel. You can tell by the brown stain
On the transmission.
Bad girl. All right, Jay.
All right.
That's your new rig. Here's your old rig.
Yeah.
It's not a fuel pump, so
Yeah, well.
got that going for it, so it's even more of a mystery.
Right. There's no check engine codes whatsoever.
We got the old 2-strap treatment
You bet.
for the
Should be good.
south, north, and eastern boogie. Let's go find a gas station and some groceries.
Ooh, okay. We'll check out that D50 maybe on the way.
Yeah, maybe that one drives.
Probably not. Ooh, we found something.
That thing is sweet.
It looks good, don't it?
Yeah. It's missing the grill.
I don't see a for sale sign in it.
I thought I seen something in the back.
Oh. Well, stickers and whatnot.
That's cool.
Yeah, I got it. Oh well.
Well, you want to leave a note?
No, better not. Just buy it and throw it on the pile. Right?
Well, if you're from Stitz or Dixon.
Dixon is by
If you work at Dixon Welding and Fabrication, let us know who owns that car. That
in
truck.
Fayette County.
Mm-hmm. I go up. That's your twin, man.
That's pretty cool, huh?
That's really nice too. Cool.
Yeah, no rocker panel rust on that one.
No. Or cowl.
Oh, cowl.
No
Damn
cowl
it.
hole.
Damn it.
We're pinging you shit through some 91 in this thing.
I know, it's not good.
One more hour, we're back.
Continue en route.
Alright.
Set it over it. Oh yeah, yeah.
Good morning from BTP's future HQ site.
Morning.
It's
because you're drinking coffee?
It's 6:30 a.m.
Oh.
It's 65 degrees already. We're hard at it, Jay.
The sun's rising in the west.
Jeremy, rust free since '03. It's an '02.
Rust free since '03.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Yeah, it's not bad. Looking, I mean, the inside looks nice.
Jeremy says you can turn 1,000 horse out of these 4.0s with a turbo.
I seen it on the YouTube.
Yep. Now you got the ultimate sleeper.
Yeah, I'm probably not going to do that.
No?
No.
Okay. So what have you found out so far since ownership of this?
The
Majestic
cam
Jeep?
sensor was clocked at 90 degrees instead of pointing straight back toward the firewall, which that's how it's supposed to be.
Mm.
So anyway, I set the timing and then reinstalled that cam synchronizer the way it's supposed to be.
Right.
And it kind of sounded like it did before.
Mm.
So I don't know, from what I gather, 99% of the time it's always the crank sensor. So anyway, I ordered stuff on Rock Auto this morning. It'll be here tomorrow.
Was that cam sensor a new part the guy tried?
Yeah,
tried?
finger tight
Yeah,
Jones
he
himself
did.
almost.
Okay.
Like
He probably did the same thing. He Googled it and he did that because it's right there.
Well,
And then he was like, I'm
it's
not
just-
doing the other one because it's
You know, the
behind.
sensor itself just has 2 screws on top of it. That's all you gotta do is remove the 2 screws. Well, somebody released the clamp that holds down the
distributor hold down?
synchronizer.
Show
Yeah.
that, Jeremy.
The distributor hold down.
Distributor.
Yeah, that they had it clocked 90 degrees toward the passenger fender. You know,
So it's
basically,
clocked this way.
and it's supposed to be like it is now.
Now it's this way.
Right. So,
Cool.
but that still didn't take care of the issue. So, we're gonna try crank sensor. Yeah. Right.
Okay. Oh, it needs a belt too. There's no belt on it, Jay.
I got a race right here. But,
Oh, so that needs to go there.
well,
Maybe that's why it won't.
maybe that's why it won't.
Never mind. Mm-hmm. Too smart for him.
There's no belt.
Oh,
Jay, the $1,000 Jeep that he just sold for $1,200.
7. It goes to a new home.
Yeah. So me and Jeremy just helped this gentleman load his new purchased Jeep. I wish we were recording because the trailer came off the ball and tried stabbing his tailgate. But anyway, there's Jay's newest project. No longer heading down the road. We'll touch base with Jaybo back at HQ. Jeremy,
Yeah.
you got anything nice to say about the Grand Cherokee? While you
I
do
didn't
it?
really know him. Seemed to have a positive outlook on life.
Mm-hmm.
And I just hope the new owner's not abusive to it as he is to his truck. We should have been filming.
I know.
Damn. Might have
to start filming with the phone more often. It looks like really clear.
Yeah, your phone does take really good pictures.
Alrighty. Back to HQ. We'll get Jay's outro. Better run across the street.
So there you go. What are we doing? What?
This is your outro of your 2002
Nope. 2002. Okay, yeah.
Jeep
So
Grand Cherokee that you bought for a song at $1,000.
Yeah.
Rust-free from Texas Jeep 2-baller, 4.0 inline 6,
Yeah.
with thoughts of just a fuel pump being the issue of a crank and no start.
And then we kind of thought maybe it was just a simple electrical issue. 99% of the time, crank no start is the crank sensor itself. So we threw a new crank sensor on it. Previous owner had thrown a cam sensor on it, but he actually ended up pulling the whole cam synchronizer out.
And like clocking at 45 degrees out.
Yeah, 90 degrees out. So whatever. Anyway, put a new one on and then reset the timing, and still no start. ASD checked out okay because it had. So okay, anyway, we went through a whole bunch of crap trying to get this thing to run. So then we just went back to the basics: fuel, spark, compression. Checked fuel. We had 50 pounds at the rail. That's good. That's right on. We ended up taking the whole coil pack off and then rigging up a spark checker on that, and it had plenty of spark. Next was compression, which I'm thinking, 134,000 miles on it. It's got to be all good, right? Well, wrong. I had 25, 100, 30. It had no compression basically. So anyway, I think the previous guy probably overheated it and took at least the head gasket out, maybe the head. Looking around for a head. Head was going to be about $600 maybe for a reman. But we decided to, we just kind of kept looking. And then in the meantime, I just listed on Marketplace for $1,200. Hey, baby girl. And anyway, somebody just got excited about it and just bought it just a little while ago. We only had it for about a week. So anyway, so it's gone. So whatever.
And that was quite exciting in itself.
Last thing I needed was another project. We've got projects.
We don't need to be pushing the D50 back any further. You need to razz
and Taz, the D50. There we go.
Them folks.
So that's where we're at. So anyway.
Yep.
Yeah.
Stick around for more D50 content.
Blake and Jeremy were a great helping out with getting it loaded up. And then I don't know if you got what. Okay.
No footage of the accident.
Yeah, the incident. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So anyway, whatever. But anyway, yeah. That's good.
Always clasp your trailer tongue onto your ball and put the safety pin in before you try to load a 4,500-pound vehicle onto an aluminum trailer on a brand new Dodge Ram.
That didn't go well, but It actually went better than what it could have been.
The tailgate was open, and I was doing the your boat up deal, lining myself up, and when I seen the sky, I just locked up the brakes.
So it could have been bad, but anyway, yeah, there you go.
Yep. All right.
That's your instinctive driving skills, Mr. Blake.
They stink, that's for sure.
They stink, but...
So anyway, like, share, subscribe, what have you?
Good, bad, ugly in the comment section. Thumbs down this video, it helps.
All right, thank you very much.
The almighty algorithm.
Sorry we've been so disappointing lately.
Yep, Jay
we
still...
can't, but it's you. It's all you for the most part.
I said that I'm not editing anymore, and it's down to Jay and Jeremy.
I'm leaving.
They got a short almost out of
Get
this.
back
It's been
here.
about 2 months. All right.
All right, adios.